I have just installed a brand new Samsung dryer. I turned it on to check the venting, which was good. When I came back in to shut it off, I opened the door and smelled a burning smell and saw a faint smoke. Is the dryer just burning off lubricant or is something else wrong? Model number DB5471EU/04 electric dryer.
Hello, thanks for letting us answer your questions. We appreciate your business. I would say that is what is happening. There are oils used in the production process and they always smell for the first few minutes of operation. Just let it run a few minutes. Obviously, if the smell persists, you may have a problem and then you will need to contact your warranty repair center to get it taken care of.
How long is long enough and should I use heat or no heat?
Put the heat on. I would say within 7 to 8 minutes it should go away.
Thanks services, thank you for your time. That is what I thought, but just making sure.
You're welcome. Remember, your deposit you placed to ask this question is just retained by JA until you rate my help to you, and then they credit me for my services to you. Please, remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website or the problem with your appliance or whether you have the ability to repair it yourself. If you have additional questions, feel free to continue this chat for as long as you like. Thanks for letting me be of service.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.